This is the newly developed PowerBI dashboard for ICC Cricket Test Championship tournament and for analyzes the data. You can see this is the overall statistic page, and this page you can see matches, total runs, total 4 sixes, 50s, hundreds, how many wickets taken by bowlers, maidens, all of the statistics are in here, and also average runs by match innings, bowling average by match innings, and average runs by match day, and average wickets by match day, and also win percentage, and also innings total runs, highest total runs scored by England 592 runs, and also you can see the standing the points table. India is the top of the table, and second place is goes to India, and third place is goes to Australia. Now I am moving to batting stat page. You can see this batting stat page. You can see the runs leaderboard, and also best batting innings and highest average, most 50s, 100s, 6s and 4s. As a table, you can see Usman Khawaja scored the most runs in the tournament currently, and the second place goes to Zach Crowley and Joe Root, Penstock and Steven Smith. And also you can see average runs scored by right-handers and left-handers, also runs scored by right-handers and left-handers, and their strike rates. And when I'm moving to the batsman statistic, in here you can see the individual batsman's performance. You can analyze in this dashboard. The most runs scored by Usman Khawaja. He scored 496 runs in 10 matches, playing 10 innings, and average is 49.60. And also you can see the players individual innings statistic you can see, and also you can compare first inning and second inning statistic in players by using this chart, and also the player who scored the most runs for the which team, and average 150s, 4s and 60s. You can analyze all over the statistic in a individual batsman. And then I'm moving to bowling statistic. You can see also similar to the batting statistic dashboard, and in here you can see also most wickets leaderboard, which is took 23 wickets and Stuart Broad took 22 wickets. Third place goes to Chris Sophers, Pat Cummins and Jose Salud. And also you can see most maiden overs, most 5 wickets hauls statistic, and best bowling strike rates, and also best bowling figures in an inning and in a match, and best bowling average, also average by bowling, and wickets taken, which bowlers take in most wickets, pace bowlers took 184 wickets, and like that, and bowling strike rates. And also you can analyze bowlers statistic similar to batsman statistic. In here the most wickets took by Mitchell Stark. Moving to the Mitchell Stark, he took 23 wickets in 8 matches, playing 7 innings, and average is 27.09. And also you can analyze or comparing Mitchell Stark's statistic first inning and second innings like that, and also Mitchell Stark's all the innings performances in here, and likewise wickets against opposition team, average against opposition team, strike rate against opposition team, and economic rate against opposition teams. All of the statistics are in here. And I move to team statistic. In this statistic you can analyze every team's performance in World Test Championship, and currently Pakistan in the top of the table, playing 2 matches and win 2 matches. And in this visualization you can see how the Pakistan wickets fallen by. Most of the wickets fallen by catchers, and after that LBWs like that. And also you can see how the Pakistan bowlers wickets taken. Most of the wickets taken by catchers and the hand balled. And you can see runs by day, batting average by day, performance in Pakistan, and wickets taken by day and bowling average. And also you can see batting average, batting strike rate, 4 sixes, most 50s, most sixes by teams, and also wickets taken by teams, most maiden, bowling strike rates, bowling averages by teams. Like that you can analyze every test team in past debates in ICC World Test Championship. And I'm moving to ground statistics page. You can see all the grounds in all the grounds played matches in Test Championship and the country. You can filter out by country and also by ground and see statistic. I'm moving to the Birmingham. You can see the statistic in Birmingham change into the Birmingham ground, then Leeds ground. Like that. If you want to see the statistic in all the ground in Sri Lanka, you can select Sri Lanka and don't select any ground. Like that, I'm moving to again to England. In England played 5 matches. This is the day by day how the runs are scored and batting averages, wickets taken by day, bowling strike rates, and how the bowlers are took by wickets. Pace bowlers took 144 wickets and spinners take 33 wickets. And runs by batting, strike rate, bowling averages, runs by ground, wickets by ground, bowling average by ground, batting average by ground. All of these statistics are in here. And then I mount with the summary tab. In summary tab, you can see the partnership statistic, highest partnerships. First, most highest partnership is scored by Rohit Sharma and Jaiswal, 229 runs against West Indies. Like that, you can see partnerships and fielding statistics. We are considering the fielders and wicket keepers both. And Alex Carey took 26 dismissals, including 22 catches and 4 stumpies. The second place goes to England wicketkeeper Johnny Bristow, took 24 dismissals, including 23 catches and 1 stumping. Like that, you can see fielding statistic. And also here you can see match summary. First, currently 9 matches played in ICC World Test Championship. You can see all of the matches summary and how the wickets falling in this tournament. Like that, you can analyze the ICC World Test Championship tournament statistic in this dashboard. Currently this dashboard is updated only for 9th test match played against 5th Ashes match in Australia versus England. We are hoping to update this dashboard for the future matches and some future Test World Cup series. So subscribe the Data House YouTube channel for latest Power BI updates and Power BI developed dashboards. In the next video, we are analyzing top 5 batters and top 5 bowlers in the ICC World Test Championship. Thank you.